Hi, Brooks. What you doing?
I'm fixing Thomas.
You're fixing Thomas? Wow. Whoa, Brooks is hugging the numbers.
No.
2.
This is.
There it is. There's number 1. Very good, Brooks. I can't see the number 1. Show mommy the number 1.
That's 2.
You have to face mom. Wow, there's number 1. And number 2. I have to see the number. What's this number? That's number 9. You have to put number 3 first. Where's number 3? There's number 3, baby. Look. There's number 3. Number 3 here.
3.
And number 4.
That's not even number 4.
That is a number 4.
Oh, this.
There you go.
That's number 4.
We look for number 5. I wonder where's number 5 now. Number 5, where are you? No, number 5 is missing.
There.
Show mommy.
That's number 5.
That's number 7.
That's 7.
We number 5 missing.
Number 5.
Look for number 5 now.
No.
That's the Mega Block Junior Builders. Wow. Okay, we have to look for number 5 now.
Okay.
Yeah. Ta-da! There's number 5.
That's number 5.
Number 5 is hiding. Silly number 5. Now we put them all together again. There's Thomas, the train driver, the choo-choo train. Okay, we put number 1 first. Number 1. Oh, there's the number 1. Oh, no, that's not number 1. Oh, there's the number 1. Number 1. Now they're all complete now because number 5 is here now. And number 2.
No, number 2.
We're not putting them together, no? So what are you going to do with them? That's a lot of numbers. They're all the way to number 10.
Oh, that's no.
No, that's wrong. That's number 6.
6.
What's that number now?
8.
Number 8. Good boy. That's what number is that now?
7.
7. Good boy. Huh? Brooks have a hiccups. What's that number?
7.
No, that one. That new one.
7.
That's number 5. There's number 7.
This number 7.
That's number 7. And then number 5.
That's 9.
Whoa, that's so tall number now, Brox. Stand up so you can put them. Oh. Now, let me see. 2, 1, 6. Oh, there's another one. There's number 3. Put number 3 on the very top.
Oh, wait, I top.
Put them on the very top. Oh, okay. Choo 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 choo. Now you sing Thomas the Tank song. Oh, that's gonna fall now, Brooks. No, it's not. No, it's not gonna fall. Here's Thomas.
Oh no!
The number 1 steam engine.
It's going to fall, you know.
Oh, it's going to fall now. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Wait till you see it's gonna fall. Now. Ah! It did fall. It did fall, Brooksy. Ah! Oh no, poor numbers. 2. Number 2, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Oh, you put number 2 here. Number 2.
No.
No, that's number 1.
One finger, one finger.
Where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brox is singing.
Three finger,
Three finger. Where are you? But you have to show mommy the number 3.
Here we are.
I can't see the number 3. You have to show
There.
me number 3.
It's the number 3.
Where? I can't see it.
There, number 3.
Okay, number 3. That's number 6. What's that number now?
And
There's number 1.
2.
And number 2. And number 3. Whoa, Broxy, you have a lot of fingers. Now, number 5.
Mom, those 5.
Number 5. Now, you show mommy? Whoa, does it fit? That's gonna be so heavy in your fingers now. Okay, you will sing now. Brox finger, where are you? Come on, you sing. You silly Billy.